my channel Dazzling Lotus. This is Shamsianis with you guys, and I am back with another exciting video for you guys. I can't believe 2021 January is already finished and we are in the month of February. So in today's video, I'll be doing a DIY plant hanger for you guys. The things you'll be needing for making this plant hanger will be like something in circle like this. And it's up to your choice. Since I have the circle, I plan to do on this, but it's totally on your preference what shape you want and how do you want to hang. You can hang on a straight bar, you can hang on any shapes, circles, anything which is available with you. So this is the base of it, and I'm using these kind of bottles which I have collected for a long period. Okay, so I got like six numbers of bottles. What I'm planning to do is on this with the help of these metal wires, I'm gonna hang those bottles. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. I have 6 bottles, so I need to cut like 6 pieces of this in different lengths to tie on to this bottle. So that is my first task. Basically, I am measuring like different lengths of this wire and cutting into 6 pieces. Let's do this. So I'm using this cutter. The same length I will follow, and I'll cut another 5 more. Then later on I will attach these wires to this ring, then I will adjust accordingly. I have my 6 pieces of wires cut in the same length, and now the next thing is take your whatever shape onto you're planning to hang those bottles. So I'm grabbing this metal circle, and I'm grabbing one of the wire also and starting on. The base of the plant hanger is done. On the top I will attach 3 more strings, and I'll attach and make a hook so that I can hang it. Okay. I have my 3 strings here. This will be the top portion. You see these 3 strings, this will be the top portion, and these will be the down where the bottles will be hanging. These wooden beads which I'm planning to put on these strings. So let's do that first. It's gonna be amazing, guys. You're gonna like chuck. This one is red. Let's see how this has turned out to be. The bottle there. So let's go there. So there is a hook. I don't know if you can see. Yes, please focus. Yes. So I'm gonna hang the whole thing over there. So what I have to do is, now I don't want all the bottles to hang in same length. I want different lengths for these bottles. So I will just cut the wires accordingly, like different lengths. day 2 ആണ്. ഇന്നലെ ഇത് ഫുൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടില്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ വി സ്റ്റോപ്പ്. ഇതിപ്പോൾ സോഫാർ ഇങ്ങനെ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഞാനെന്ത് പ്ലാൻ ആക്കുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ യു സീ ദിസ് ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈസ്. ഈ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈസ് ഇതിനൊരു ട്രാൻസ്പെറൻറ്റ് ത്രെഡ് വഴി ഇങ്ങനെ കെട്ടാനാണ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്ലാൻ. ബട്ട് before I hang this, I want to paint this. So let's go paint it.
So that's it guys, time to wind up the video. If you like this DIY planter, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting contents. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links will be there in the description below. So until we meet next time with another exciting video, this is Shimsiani signing off. Love you, take care, bye.